Welcome to an in-depth look at how artificial intelligence powers the worlds we play in. Today, we're explaining AI in video games. Artificial intelligence is no longer just for science fiction. It's a critical component in modern video games, enhancing almost every aspect of gameplay. What exactly does AI do in your favorite video games? Its primary role is to bring life and challenge to the game world, beyond the player's control. Ultimately, AI makes games more fun and engaging. It provides the systems and characters that challenge players and make every session unique. In many games, AI is responsible for controlling the opposing forces. Think of it as the brain behind the characters you're fighting against. AI allows game developers to create enemies that are genuinely intelligent. They use complex algorithms to decide on their actions, making them difficult to predict and defeat. A key aspect of gaming AI is its ability to react instantly and appropriately to your actions. If you hide, they might search. If you attack, they will defend or counter. The advantages of using AI extend beyond just the opponents. It contributes to world building, NPC behavior, and narrative progression. Thanks to AI, games feel much more realistic. Non-player characters behave convincingly, environments respond logically, and the overall experience is more immersive. Some advanced gaming AI can even learn from your personal playstyle, dynamically adjusting the difficulty or their tactics to keep you challenged no matter how good you get. AI is the engine of intelligence in the gaming world, ensuring that every time you pick up a controller, you face a dynamic, exciting, and rewarding challenge. Expect AI to push the boundaries even further, creating fully procedural worlds and hyper-realistic NPC interactions that blur the line between game and reality.